Hi students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss basic introduction of NaaS. NaaS stands for Network as a Service. As its name implies, all the network services are provided by cloud service providers. Right? It allows us to access network infrastructure. With the help of this, we can access network infrastructure directly and securely. Here security is the major thing, right? Also, NaaS makes it possible to deploy. With the help of NaaS, we can deploy custom routing protocols. The meaning of protocol is, in case of computing, meaning of protocol is rules, right? Whenever we are going to route any data of any customer or any IT company, the NaaS follow all the rules, right? So the data transfer is always very secure while we are using NaaS, right? Also, NaaS uses virtualized network infrastructure to provide network services to the customer. As we all know the meaning of virtualize. Virtualize means not real. We are talking about digital things, right? It is used to provide network services to the customer. And it is the responsibility of NaaS service provider. It is the responsibility of NaaS service provider to maintain and manage network resources. Also, we can say that all the data and services are managed and maintained with the help of service providers, right? Having a provider working for a customer decreases the workload of the customer. So this is very important. Also, NaaS offers network as a utility. And it is also worked on the principle of pay per use model. This is the most important thing in complete cloud computing syllabus, right? As we all know, everything in case of cloud computing done on the basis of pay per use mode. Now a question arises that how NaaS is delivered. This is a general thing, right? To use NaaS model, the customer is required to log on to web portal where customer can get online API. With this web portal, we can get API. Here the customer can customize the route, right? With the help of this, we can customize any route, right? In turn, customer has to pay for the capacity use. It is also possible to turn off the capacity at any time, also known as pay per use mode, right? Now we have a next term, that is mobile NaaS. It is used if we want to use network as a service through our mobile system. Yeah, right. Mobile NaaS offer more efficient and flexible. It is more efficient and flexible control over mobile devices, right? It uses virtualization to simplify the architecture. It is used to simplify architecture, thereby creating more efficient processes, right? Now we will discuss some NaaS benefits. There are so many benefits of using network as a service in case of cloud computing. The first service we have is independence. Here each customer is independent and can segregate the network, right? every end user is independent to share or to get the network services. Next point we have is analytics. Analytic here means the data protection solutions are available. Data protection solutions are available, right? Which can be applied for highly sensitive applications. This can be applied for highly sensitive applications. Next benefit we have is support model. Support models, right? A number of support models are available to reduce operation cost. These are used to reduce operation costs, right? The fourth benefit is ease of adding new service elements. That means it is very easy to integrate new service elements to any network. It is very easy to add any type of service in network as a service model, right? So this is all about NaaS basic introduction. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this.